Hello everyone. The topic for today is record keeping. Um, Whether you are doing a job or you're doing business, you need to keep your tax records. So tax records means whatever is your income, you have to account it properly, and whatever deductions you are claiming, whatever expenses you are claiming from a job or from a business, you need to keep a proper record, so that in case ATO audits you, you should have a proper record that I have claimed this much expense and the basis of calculation are these documents. Now what are those documents on the basis of which you can claim those deductions? This is called record keeping. What are those records which you need to maintain? The first is a diary. You need to keep a diary where you went and like whom did you meet, what time did you go. The second is a logbook. This is specifically for car. If you are claiming car expense, then you need to keep a logbook. Then the other is receipts. When you make a payment to supplier issues you a receipt that I have received this amount. Next is tax invoice. So the tax invoice has got few important things in that: name of supplier, ABN number, services rendered, date of supply, GST included or not, name and address of the supplier. So all these things come in the tax invoice of your supplier. Supplier means the person from whom you are buying the services and you are paying for his services or his goods. That is called tax invoice. Next is a bank statement or a credit card statement, which is a proof that you have made the payment. Then next is your supplier statement. If you buy on a credit, then supplier issues you with some statement, sometime monthly, weekly, or your contract which you have with your customer and with your supplier. Now the important thing is, which one is the most important? You need to keep all these records, but which one is most important? The most important is tax invoice, because even though you have made some payment to supplier, for example you paid $10,000 to a supplier, well, it doesn't mean that it is all tax deductible. You might have paid him a loan, or you might have paid, just pay him, just as a gift. So to claim it as an expense, you should have a tax invoice. Tax invoice will show that why have you paid him. So tax invoice is a very important document which you should have whenever you make a payment to your supplier. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.